Did you know turtles can live for a very long time? Some even over 100 years. That's a lot of candles. They are some of the oldest travelers in the sea. Fact number 2, turtles have hard shells to protect themselves, like super armor. Their shell is actually part of their skeleton and keeps them safe from predators. Fact number 3, turtles can even breathe through their behinds when swimming underwater. Isn't that crazy? It helps them stay underwater for a long time. Fact number 4, when in danger, turtles hide their head and legs in their shell. Just like a little hiding ninja, no one can get them in there. Fact number 5, some turtles live in water, some on land, and some like both. From deep oceans to forest ponds, turtles are at home almost anywhere. Fact number 6, turtles love eating plants, fruits, and sometimes tiny insects. They have a very healthy diet to keep their bodies strong and shells hard. Fact number 7, they move slowly, but they are super patient and steady. Slow and steady wins the race, and turtles are the ultimate masters of patience. Fact number 8, baby turtles are tiny, sometimes just the size of your hand. They are so brave and cute when they start their big journey to the sea. Here's a secret, turtles don't have teeth. Instead, they have very strong beaks for munching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Keto Mozo for more fun turtle adventures. See you next time.